Good morning, children. So let's discuss about the transport. Okay, in our last video, we discussed about the transport, some advantages of transport and some disadvantages of transport. So let's revise. So advantages of transport means, firstly, transport means what? The movement of the people and the goods from one place to another place is called a transport. In today's high-speed world, we use several modes of transport and means of transport such as aeroplanes, railway, then ships we use, then motor car, cycle, bicycle, bullock cart. So we use this transport. So modern means of transport have many advantages as well as disadvantages. So let's discuss advantages of transport. That transport helps in saving time and efforts. By transport, the work gets done sooner. ओके हम लोग कहीं पे भी जल्दी पहुंच सकते हैं. मीन्स एग्जाम्पल, अगर हमें मुंबई जाना है तो व्हाट वी यूज, अगर हमें मुंबई जल्दी पहुंचना है 1 घंटे या 1.5 घंटे में पहुंचना है तो सो वी यूज द we used to prefer go by air, that is aeroplane. Then transport facilities the trade on the domestic as well as the global level. It helps in improving the lifestyle also of people. It helps the facilities of tourism, health and education to become speeder. It connects different parts of the world and facilities the world to come closer. So these are some advantages of the transport. So side by side some disadvantages are also. Disadvantages कौन से? Transport creates a problem of air and noise pollution. So transport से air pollution हो सकता है, noise pollution also it creates. Air pollution means the vehicles that creates air pollution, the harmful gases such as carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, that gas is released from the exhaust of the vehicles and that creates air pollution. Also some transport that creates noise pollution such as the sound of an aeroplane, sound of railway, that creates a noise pollution that causes various harmful diseases such as headache and all these. It adversely affects the people, animals and plants too. It harms the habitat of plants and animals. Okay. So the traffic accidents cause injuries, deaths and damage to the vehicle. These are the some disadvantages of the transport. Okay, children. So let's then the next topic we learn, that is selecting the right option for transport. While selecting the right option for transport can save time and efforts, it can also reduce the severity of harmful effects of a transport. Okay. Then some remedies for reducing pollution we discuss. Our environment is very sensitive. Pollution has destructive effects on the environment like plants and animals and other things also. These effects are harmful for all living things. Okay. So therefore it is very necessary to prevent pollution. Pollution से आपको पता है कितनी सारी harmful things हो सकती है. So we should have to balance our environment. We should have to take steps to prevent the pollution. Government also have taken some steps against the pollution. The following are some of the remedies for reducing pollution. So as a good citizen, we should have follow these rules. Using fuels that cause less pollution. उनको जो fuel है वो use करना चाहिए कि वो pollution reduce कर सकते हैं. Then timely maintain and repair of vehicles. So आपका vehicle है जो time to time आपको उसकी servicing करनी पड़ती है. So we should have to do that. Using public transport as far as possible. Then using private vehicles only on necessary occasions. Then planting more and more trees and caring for them. Not only plant it, but we should have to take a good care of a tree. Then using fuels such as LPG or CNGs for the vehicles. Okay, these are some natural gases, so that helps for reducing the pollution. Nowadays we use the batteries, battery cars, battery vehicles, so that also help in reducing the pollution. So these steps we should have to take against the reducing pollution. So best way, the advantages of using bicycle. Bicycle is a very good for use our, in modern times we use cars, ships and aeroplanes that run on fuel. But in olden days, ships did not use such engines. आपको पता होगी ships जो थी, they had sails which help to use force of the wind. एक शिप होती है, सेल बोट बोलते हैं उसको, एक पर्दा रहता था उसको लगा हुआ, और वो सेल बोट हवा से डायरेक्शन में वो जाती थी. हवा से मीन्स दैट रन ऑन द फोर्स ऑफ द wind. They were called the sailing ships. In those days, people traveled all over the world on these ships in olden days. So nowadays we can use a bicycle, is very good vehicle. Okay, eco-friendly, जो कि pollution free है, उससे exercise भी होती है. So see here which advantages of using bicycles जो है. एक तो सबसे बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल, एक सबसे बेस्ट है दैट इज फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज. आपकी फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज होगी अगर आप बाइसिकल यूज कर रहे तो, और ज्यादा और कुछ एक्सरसाइज करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. फुल्ली बॉडी की वर्कआउट हो जाएगी, एक्सरसाइज हो जाएगी बाइसिकल से. देन स्मॉल लोड्स कैन ऑल्सो बी कैरीड. छोटे छोटे जो लोड्स है आप बाइसिकल पे भी कैरी कर सकते हो. देन डज नॉट कॉज पोल्यूशन, इट्स अ पोल्यूशन फ्री व्हीकल, है ना, इससे पोल्यूशन नहीं होता है. इट्स अ वेरी गुड. देन सेल्फ रिलायंस है. देन सेव टाइम ऑल्सो. आप धीरे फास्ट ऐसे चल के अपना बाइसिकल अपनी टाइम बचा सकते हो. देन कैन बी स्टोर्ड इन अ स्मॉल स्पेस. आपको पता है छोटी सी भी जगह में बाइसिकल आ जाती है, इससे ज्यादा बड़ी पार्किंग की भी समस्या इससे दूर हो सकती है. देन सेव मनी ऑल्सो, उसको लिए कोई पैसे की खर्चे की जरूरत नहीं होती बाइसिकल चलाने के लिए. देन लेस क्राउडिंग ऑफ व्हीकल ऑन द स्ट्रीट्स, कहीं से भी निकल सकती है इजीली, क्राउडिंग की भी ज्यादा जरूरत नहीं होती, पार्क इजीली हो सकते हैं. सो इट्स अ वेरी गुड. सो एडवांटेजेस ऑफ यूजिंग अ बाइसिकल. Okay children, so this is your lesson. So we learn in this lesson the beneficial and harmful effects of transportation, then judicious use of means of transport, and the danger to nature due to pollution caused by various means of transport we learn, and some remedies for various types of pollution. These things we learn in our lesson. Okay, so let's move to the exercise. Solve some exercise. Then question 1, write 5 sentences on how you have benefited from transport facilities. Okay children, so let's write this answer in your copy. Okay, write down first question. Write 5 sentences on how you have benefited from transport facilities. Okay. Write 5 sentences on how you have benefited from transport transport facilities. Okay, so answer I have benefited from transport from transport facilities in the following way. Number one, I can regularly go to school by bus. Okay, by bus. Then next, I can ride to playground. I can ride to playground on my bicycle. And can play every day and can play every day. Okay, then I can go to public library by bus can read many references books, many references reference books. Stop. Then patient from my locality, patients from my locality can go to the municipal hospital by ambulance I can go to my native place by train and by train. Okay, there are the 5 sentences. Okay children, so write down this. In our next video we will continue with remaining question answers. So bye everyone.